Thank you. The bill, statute resolution, Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill, another statutory resolution, the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Service Bill 2020. We discuss it together, and time has been allotted. Accordingly, every party has to follow that time, please. Leaders has to ensure that. Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Alamaram Karim, Sri Vinay Viswam. I am just alerting you are there or not. I am not calling. I will call. Sri Sres Kumar, K.C. Venugopal, Derek Oberyn, Sri Digvijay Singh. Okay. Now? Huh? Yeah. K.K. Ragesh, please move the resolution.
Sir, I move the resolution and I am requesting you to give 5 minutes.
Not 5 minutes, please say. Whatever.
Sir, please.
Briefly say, that's what I am saying.
5 minutes, sir, please.
Say.
Both bills are very important, so please permit me. Sir, immediately after the promulgation of the ordinance, we are witnessing a massive agitation throughout the country. I am also part of All India Kisan Sabha, and which is one of the constituent of All India Kisan Coordination Committee, which has got more than 200 Kisan organizations. And all these organizations are organizing lot of agitations throughout the country. At the very outset, I am requesting the Honorable Minister and also the government to see the wrath of the farmers and withdraw these ordinances and the bill. And secondly, sir, 3 ordinances are promulgated as a COVID package for farmers.
Please.
I don't find any package for farmers. Sir, it is a package for corporates. It is very clear, sir. It is a package for Adani Wilmar, Reliance Ambani.
Please, that will not go on record. That's
It's a package for Monsanto.
Please, then I have to stop you, Ragesh.
Sir,
you are capable of presenting the issue.
Second thing, sir.
Why are you making allegations?
I am moving towards my second point. Second thing, sir, this is a state subject. Agriculture is a state subject. How the center can snatch the powers of the states? Because agriculture fall under as a state subject under our constitution, and hence it is the federal principle. So we are talking lot many on cooperative federalism. I am asking the government whether this is the kind of cooperative federalism that you are propagating, and how can it be a COVID package, sir? Sir, if it is a COVID package, it could have been a package for farmers for loan waiver, and it could have been an intervention.
Right, Ragesh.
The farmers produce.
Thank you.
And
resolution moved.
The government is throwing farmers at the mercy.
Please. Resolution moved. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister, to move a motion for consideration.
माननीय चेयरमैन सर, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि कृषि उपज व्यापार और वाणिज्य संवर्धन और सरलीकरण विधेयक 2020 पर विचार किया जाए, और मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि कृषक सशक्तिकरण और संरक्षण, कीमत आश्वासन और कृषि सेवा करार विधेयक 2020 पर विचार किया जाए।
First, he has moved a motion for consideration of Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020. Motion moved. मिनिस्टर कुछ बोलना चाहे तो बोलिए। और एक भी है, उसको भी करने दे, उसको भी करें, फिर बाद में मंत्री जी बोलेंगे दोनों के ऊपर।
माननीय सभापति जी,
नहीं, दूसरा भी मूव करने के बाद
जी
एक मिनट, एक साथ बोल सकते हैं आराम। और एक प्रस्ताव है रेजोल्यूशन